Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. Today, we are going to learn about how to get the highest value of a tabulated data. To do that, we need to explore a feature that Excel is currently boasting as one of its unique and fun ways to present data, and that is conditional formatting. To start, let us select our data. As much as possible, do not include the names or the subjects. For now, since we are comparing numbers, we should only choose or select the numbers. Now that we've selected the numbers, go ahead and click Conditional Formatting. Go to the Manage Rules button. A window will show up. Go ahead and create New Rule. Another window shows up. This window will serve as our condition on which cells should be formatted once they fulfill a certain condition. Now, to get the top value, we need to select the format only top or bottom ranked values. Now that we've selected that, go ahead and choose top. And since we're only going for the highest, let's go for rank 1. Now that we've set the conditions, let's set the format for the cell that satisfies this condition. To do that, press Format. Go ahead and go to Fill. And choose a color of your liking. Usually, when we try to visualize the highest, we go for the color green. Press OK. And OK. And click on Apply. Now, you can see two numbers highlighted on our table. This is because among the data, two numbers are currently valued at 94, which is the highest among the rest. And that is how you determine the highest value for a dataset. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and comment on what I should do next. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for updates on our future videos. Once again, this is Gab, signing out.